Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and play GTA Vice City on PC. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly download and start playing GTA Vice City on your PC. Well, we have two ways in here. So what's the first way? Well, the first method here is by downloading and purchasing the game directly from their official store. Now, typically, you just need to go to any browser, go to Rockstar, and you want to go and click on the first link here for rockstargames.com, or you could go directly to their website if you want to. Now, in here, you go and click on games and basically search for Grand Theft Auto or GTA Vice City. But if you don't want to do that manually, you can go and click on the search bar at the top right here and just type in Vice City, press enter. And you should be able to see the option for Vice City here. So as you can see, we have Grand Theft Auto Vice City Stories, Vice City. You're going to just click on it and just click on the Buy Now button. Now, typically, you may need to provide certain information in order for you to start buying the game. Obviously, you may need to provide your payment details, and you may also need to create an account in order for you to install it in your PC. Now, obviously, you also get the bundle here, the trilogy Grand Theft Auto. It's going to cost a lot more if you want to, but just in case, what if you only want to buy Vice City? Well, this is an alternative option that you may want to try here. So in this case, you want to go and just go to Google here, go type in Steam, or you could go to store.steampower.com to directly access Steam. Now, Steam here is another platform where you can buy different games, and the great about Steam here is they frequently have what we call sales, and which basically allows you to get the game for a lot cheaper. So, in this case, you may want to click on Install Steam at the top right here in order for you to install it in your PC so that you can start playing games. And you could also click on Sign in here, go to the very bottom and click on Create Account in order for you to create an account for Steam. But yeah, once you've installed this, create an account, you may want to open up the app and just basically log in. This is what it's going to look like inside the app. And you want to go and click on Search the Store here and just type in Vice City. Press Enter. And you should see Grand Theft Auto Vice City. You can go and click on it, and you should be able to start buying the game. Now you can go and click on Add to Cart in here, and as you can see, you are actually getting the game a lot cheaper. So before, it's going to be costing you like around like $50 if I'm not mistaken. Now it's like $25 since it's on sale on Steam. Now what you need to do is you want to go and just go to the very bottom here and click on the continue payment section, and from there on you should be able to buy the game, and basically it will give you at the very end, once you've paid the game, at the very end it's going to show you the install game option, and again you'll be able to install the game and start playing it later. And that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.